In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add or remove bookmarks in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is fully loaded so you can see your bookmarks bar or access your bookmarks menu. If your bookmarks bar is visible, you will usually see your saved bookmarks right below the address bar. If it is not visible, you can still find your saved bookmarks through the Chrome menu. Once Chrome is open, locate the bookmark that you want to remove. You can do this directly from the bookmarks bar if the bookmark is displayed there, or from the bookmarks menu if it is stored there instead. When you find the bookmark, right-click on it. This will open a small menu with options related to that bookmark. In that menu, select Delete. As soon as you click Delete, the bookmark will be removed from Chrome. If you are working from the bookmarks bar, you should see it disappear right away. If you are using the bookmarks menu, it will also be removed immediately from that location. This only removes the bookmark itself. It does not delete the website, and it does not prevent you from visiting that page again later. It simply removes the saved link from your bookmarks. A helpful tip is to be careful when right-clicking, especially if you have several bookmarks saved close together. It is easy to select the wrong one by mistake. If you accidentally remove a bookmark, you can always visit that website again and save it back to your bookmarks later. That covers everything you need to know.